If you're shopping for a cassette toilet for your RV, camper van, or camping trips, the options can be overwhelming. Today we're covering 5 of the best currently available on Amazon. 1. Thetford Porta Potti 565E Curve. The Thetford Porta Potti 565E is the most complete portable cassette toilet available today. It features an electric push-button flush powered by 6 AA batteries, delivering a clean, consistent flush without any manual pumping. The freshwater tank holds 4 gallons, giving you approximately 56 flushes before a refill. The waste tank holds 5.5 gallons, enough for several days of use for 1 or 2 people. Both tanks have built-in level indicators, so you always know where you stand before heading out on a trip. At 17.6 inches tall, the 565E sits close to the height of a standard home toilet. While the adult-sized seat and curved modern design make it noticeably more comfortable than smaller, more compact portable toilets. It also includes an integrated toilet paper holder and a rotating no-splash dump spout, which makes emptying cleaner and more manageable. This toilet is best suited for RV owners, truck campers, and van lifers who want the most home-like portable toilet experience available. If comfort and ease of use are your priorities, this is the one to get. 2. Thetford Porta Potti 365. The Thetford Porta Potti 365 has over 17,000 verified reviews on Amazon with a 4.7-star average, making it one of the most purchased portable toilets in this category. That track record alone makes it worth serious consideration. It uses a manual piston pump flush, which means no batteries are required. You pump a small handle a few times before flushing, which pressurizes the system and delivers a thorough rinse of the bowl. For off-grid campers or anyone who wants to avoid battery dependency, this is a practical advantage. The freshwater tank holds 4 gallons and delivers around 56 flushes per fill. The waste tank holds 5.5 gallons. Like the 565E, it includes dual tank level indicators and a rotating pour-out spout for cleaner emptying. At 8.8 pounds empty, it's also lighter and easier to carry than the electric model. The 365 is best suited for campers, hikers, and van lifers who want a reliable, well-tested toilet without paying for features they don't need. It covers the essentials cleanly and consistently. 3. Dometic 976 Portable Toilet. The Dometic 976 stands out for one specific reason. It uses less than 1 pint of water per flush. For campers and van lifers managing a limited freshwater supply, that level of efficiency makes a meaningful difference over a multi-day trip. Its flush system is pressurized and push-button operated, similar to the Thetford 565E, but requires no batteries. The pressure is built into the unit itself, so one press of the button delivers a full flush with no pumping and no power source needed. The waste tank holds 5 gallons, and the freshwater tank holds 2.3 gallons. The unit is built from high-density polyethylene, which resists cracking and impact well in mobile environments. The prismatic tank level indicator and extended discharge spout keep the emptying process straightforward. At 13.1 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the Thetford 365, but its compact base dimensions, 13.1 inches wide, make it easier to fit in tight spaces inside a van or small camper. The Dometic 976 is best suited for solo travelers and couples who are serious about water conservation on extended off-grid trips. 4. Thetford C402C Cassette Toilet. The Thetford C402C is different from every other product on this list. It is not a portable toilet. It is a permanently installed cassette toilet designed to be bench-mounted inside an RV, truck camper, or camper van as a fixed fixture. The unit connects to your vehicle's 12-volt electrical system and delivers an electric push-button flush. The freshwater tank holds 4 gallons. The waste cassette holds 5.1 gallons and sits on retractable wheels, so it rolls out smoothly from the vehicle's exterior side hatch for emptying. You never need to carry it through the cabin. That exterior access is one of the C402C's most practical advantages. The wheeled cassette can be emptied at any standard public restroom, not just RV dump stations, giving full-time RVers far more flexibility at rest stops, campgrounds, and towns without dump facilities. The C402C is best suited for truck camper owners, Class B van owners, and small motorhome owners who want a permanent, built-in toilet without the complexity of a black tank system. If you want a real toilet experience in your build, this is the closest you can get with a cassette system. 5. Camco 41541 Portable Toilet. The Camco 41541 is the most affordable option on this list. And it comes from a brand with a strong reputation in the RV accessories space. Camco has been manufacturing camping and RV products since 1966. It uses a bellows-style pump flush, where you squeeze a flexible pump to move water into the bowl. There are no batteries and no pressurized components, which means fewer mechanical parts and less to go wrong in the field. The two tanks lock together with side latches and separate cleanly for emptying. The waste tank holds 5.3 gallons, larger than several more expensive competitors at this price tier. For a family of 3 or 4 on a weekend trip, that capacity is practical without needing a mid-trip dump. The unit weighs just 11.5 pounds empty and supports up to 330 pounds, making it a solid choice for a wide range of users. Plus, it ships with 3 TST orange drop-in odor treatment tablets to get you started. The Camco 41541 is best suited for budget-conscious campers, festival goers, and families who need a no-frills cassette toilet that works reliably without extra features.